All right, let's take a walk through the Sheets user interface and see where things are and kind of get acclimated to some of the things that we can do. All right. All right. So let's start at the top. First of all, at the top here, we're able to see the name of our current file. We could rename it if we want to. Oh, that's good right there. We can also see the folder where the sheet is being stored. All right. So we can see I have it in my Sheets class folder. Now I have a star area here as well. If I want to favorite a sheet, I can do that as well and be able to view that in Google Drive. All right, so that's cool. Down below that, I see my menus. Basic menu stuff here. File, of course, is going to be for anything involving opening, creating, saving of a file, publishing it. I have my edit stuff here, so copying and pasting, undo and redo. All the classic shortcuts work in here as well. You can see them listed there, like Control Z, Control V, Control Y. All right, paste specialist here, find and replaces there as well. All right. Now, you're also, as you go through some of these menus, going to start to see specific commands based on where you are. So I'm currently in cell C15, and it's giving me options here: delete row 15, delete column C, right? Delete cells, delete cells. So it gives me some options there based on what I have highlighted. Here's some view options, so I can do things like freezing of rows, right? Display grid lines or not. Display my formula bar or not. Show formulas, right? My zoom settings are here. Can also choose to go full screen. I have insert. Here I can choose to insert rows, columns, cells, charts, images, drawings, forms, functions, checkboxes, comments, all kinds of things. New sheets, all that is there. My format menu is going to allow me to do formatting, so number formatting, among other things. We'll learn about those in other videos. Conditional formatting, alternating colors, which is equivalent to table formatting in Excel for my Excel users who are watching this. The data menu here is going to allow me to do data things like sorting, filtering, pivot tables, named ranges, sheet protection, remove duplicates, all those things are there. I have a tools area here where I can create forms, macros, script, notification rules. I have an add-ons area. If I have included in the add-ons, I'll see those there. And I have a help area here where I can search for things. All right. Every time here I have a message. Every time, every change you make is automatically saved in Drive, right? So automatic saving is turned on automatically. So every time we make changes, we don't have to go back and hit save. If I click on that, it will bring me here and allow me to see my versions, go to a specific version if I want to be able to do so. All right. Okay, very good. Let's go back. Now, this whole menu area can be hidden by clicking on this up arrow over on the right. Control Shift F is the shortcut for this. Okay, so that hides my menu. I can, of course, expand it. Here's my ribbon slash toolbar area, more of a toolbar than a ribbon. Gives me some formatting things and just some other basic things I may want to do, inserting charts, doing some formulas, moving things around. All that stuff is there for me. All right, down on, in the middle, of course, here we have our actual worksheet. Same components, right? Columns, rows, right? Numbers, letters, and all that, and our cells. Down on the very bottom here, we see the ability to add in worksheets. Make sure we can view all sheets here. Now I'm going to highlight this data set that I've got here. I'm going to highlight these numbers right here. Matter of fact, I'm just going to highlight the whole thing. Why not? And down in the lower right-hand corner, I have an Explore button. I'm going to click on Explore. For my Excel users, this is the equivalent of the quick analysis tool in Excel that pops up for you. And what this is doing is pretty cool. It's showing me different things that I may want to do with my data that's highlighted. So I can ask questions, right? I can do some formatting here. I can generate a pivot table there, different analysis using charts. All right, so if I want to quickly see some of the things I can do, I will highlight a data set. Let's highlight a different data set and see what pops up. Let's just highlight these total values right here. And we'll do the heading as well. And let's see what pops up when we hit Explore, right? Calculations and then some other basic things here. Not as much, obviously, as when we had the whole data set selected. All right, so that is a pretty neat tool as well. All right, so the interface, very easy to understand. You can click in there, explore around, and see everything that's there. Everything is right in front of you. Very user-friendly interface.